Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Miss English Podcast, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello to you, Emily, and a big hello to all our wonderful listeners around the world. It is fantastic to be here with you today.
Always fantastic, David. And tell me, how are you today? You look very cheerful.
I am cheerful, thank you. I had a very productive morning. I did many things on my list.
Ooh, a productive morning. I love those. What did you do?
Well, I went to the supermarket, I walked the dog, and I went to the bank.
The bank? David, that is perfect.
Perfect. Why is going to the bank perfect? It's a little boring.
Maybe a little boring, yes. But it is perfect because that is our topic today.
No way. Really?
Yes, today we are talking all about the bank.
Wow, that is a great coincidence. And yes, the bank is very important for daily life.
It surely is. Everyone needs to go to the bank. And sometimes we need to know the right words in English.
Exactly. Talking about money in a different language can be scary.
But don't worry, we are here to make it easy and simple.
As always, before we open the bank doors, we have a tiny favor to ask our listeners.
Yes, if you're enjoying our podcast, please take 1 second to click the like button.
Give us a big thumbs up. It really helps us.
And please subscribe to Mr. English channel. We don't want you to miss any of our fun episodes.
And share this podcast with your friends, your family, your colleagues. Let's all learn English together.
Thank you so much, everyone. We truly appreciate it.
Okay, Emily, I'm ready. Let's go to the bank.
Let's go. So, David, why do we go to the bank?
Good question. We go to the bank to keep our money safe.
Yes, the bank is a safe place for our money. We don't want to keep cash under our bed.
No, that is not a good idea. The bank is much better.
So the first thing we need at a bank is an account.
An account is like your personal money box at the bank.
Exactly. And there are two main types of accounts.
2 types. What are they?
The first one is a checking account.
A checking account. What is that for?
It's for everyday life, everyday spending.
Ah, so when I buy coffee or groceries, I use money from my checking account.
Exactly.
Okay, that's simple. And the second type?
A savings account.
Ah, yes. A savings account is for money you keep for a long time.
Yes, like saving for a new computer, a vacation, or emergencies.
So checking is for today, savings is for the future.
Perfect, David. A+.
So Emily, I want to open an account. What do I do?
You go to the bank and speak to a person. You can say, "Hello, I would like to open an account, please."
That is a useful phrase.
The bank worker will ask you for some things.
What things?
Your ID, maybe your driver's license or passport, and your address.
Easy. And then I fill out a form.
Yes, a paper with many questions: name, address, phone number.
And at the end, I sign my name.
Right, your signature makes it official.
Woohoo! I have a bank account. Now I need to put money in my account.
Good idea. When you put money into the bank, we call it a deposit.
Deposit. I would like to make a deposit, please.
Perfect.
And when I need money, for example, cash for the weekend.
Then you make a withdrawal.
Withdrawal. That is a long word.
Yes, a little hard to say. Withdrawal.
Withdrawal. Or I can just say, I would like to take out some cash.
Yes, that's easier and very common.
Who do I talk to at the bank? The person behind the window.
That person is the teller.
The teller helps with deposits and withdrawals.
Yes, and they are usually very friendly.
But Emily, sometimes the bank is closed.
Oh no, it's 8 p.m. and I need cash for pizza. What do I do? Don't panic. You can use the ATM.
I love the ATM. It's like a robot bank.
Yes, open 24 hours a day.
What does ATM mean?
Automated teller machine. So it's a robot teller.
I need my bank card and a secret code.
Yes, your PIN number. Usually 4 digits. Never tell anyone.
Top secret.
At the ATM, you insert your card.
Then I enter my PIN. Beep, beep, beep.
Then you choose how much money you want. $20, $50, $100. And magic, it gives me the money. Don't forget to take your card back. Very important. Emily, what if I lose my card? Oh no, that is scary. But don't panic. Call your bank immediately. I lost my card. Yes, they will cancel it so no one else can use it.
I'm going to Europe soon, but they use euros.
That's right. You need different currency.
Currency means money from different countries.
Yes, dollars, euros, pounds, yen.
Can I get euros at my bank?
Usually, yes. You can exchange money.
I would like to exchange some money, please.
Perfect phrase.
Emily, do you use online banking?
Yes, on my phone. It's so convenient.
I use it too. I can check my balance.
Good word. Balance means how much money is in your account.
I check my balance and then pizza time.
You can also pay bills online.
Yes, electricity, internet, everything.
Let's do a quick review.
Great idea.
The place for our money is the bank.
My personal money box is my account.
Putting money in equals deposit.
Taking money out equals withdrawal.
The robot machine is the ATM.
And the secret code is your PIN.
Wow, David, you get an A+ on the bank quiz.
Hooray!
Now it's time for our question to our wonderful listeners.
Yes, tell us in the comments, do you prefer to use cash or your card?
Great question. We love reading your answers.
And it's very good writing practice.
Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an episode.
And share this podcast with your friends who are learning English too.
Thank you so much for listening today.
Have a wonderful day and happy banking.
Bye, everyone.
See you next time.